Hi, my name is Sam. I'm here to perform general health survey on Nathan. Um, Nathan, I'm going to provide him with privacy, and I'm going to wash my hands. Wash my hands, and I have paper here so that I can record my findings. Um, Nathan, how are you today?
Good.
How old are you?
8.
You're 8 years old. Okay. Do you have any pain?
No.
No. I forgot to ask you, which grade are you?
3rd.
You're in third grade? Good. Do you like school?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to get your height and your weight. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go back here. I have a tape here. Let's come with me. Yeah. So we're going to take move your feet all the way back, your head, think like this. Okay, you're 50 inches. Okay, 50 inches. Okay, good. So now I have this weight here. So you're gonna turn on that one. And at this time he removes all heavy clothes. He doesn't have shoes. So he's 67. Abby, 67.2. Okay, you can come down now. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Um, can, can you stand up for me and move your hand? Okay. Stand on 1 feet. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. Now you can sit down. So I'm doing a general assessment. His facial expression is symmetrical. There is no drainage on his face. He look happy. He denied pain. He doesn't show any sign of pain. His mobility, he's able to stand. Um, his gait is steady, stable. Um, he is well groomed. He's well hydrated. There is um, no concern on him at this time. He looked relaxed, no anxiety. He's an 8-year-old who is in third grade. At this time, I got his weight and I got his height. And the other thing that I'm going to do now is Nathan, I'm going to measure your belly. How is that? Eh? I'm gonna measure your belly. Okay, let me get that one, the tape. So I'm gonna get the tape out now. So can you stand up? Stand up for me. I did a lot of this. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Am I making it tickle? So your waist is 27. So that's good. All right, 27. Okay. So I completed his. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is going to calculate his BMI. So the BMI, I will do body weight in kilogram. I will divide it by his height in meters square. So I need a calculator for that. So I'm just going to put that one in here. Okay. So I'm just going to do the here. His BMI is 18.9. I got his BMI 18.9, which is healthy. Okay. Nathan is doing well now. There's no health concern, and that's the end. Thank you.